Hello, I'm Kim Schranz from howtowrite.org, and I'm here to talk to you briefly about hierarchies or connectors as a writing technique. Now, what is this technique? Well, it coordinates and tiers information using connectors such as more importantly, in addition, least of all, in contrast, or consequently. And why do we use this technique? Well, because readers need clues about the priority or importance, cause, effect, contrast, comparison, or sequence of information. So here's an example. Consequently, we have one sentence: a driver uses a cell phone is 4 times as likely to be in an accident. And a sentence 2, many countries are banning the use of cell phones behind the wheel, and we put a connector in between them of consequently. So sentence 1 plus 2 at the bottom of the slide show a cause and effect. A driver using cell phones is 4 times as likely to be in an accident. Consequently, many countries are banning the use of cell phones behind the wheel. So that is our cause and effect of our connector. And there we have it, hierarchies or connectors as a writing technique. If you'd like to find out more about hierarchies and connectors, there's a more detailed video on it. I'm Kim Schranz for howtowrite.org.